Master Planning, Award of Excellence. Sacramento City Unified School District Equity-Based Facility Master Plan. Sacramento City Unified School District, DLR Group. Jurors awarded the highest award of excellence to this master planning project, which distinguishes itself by establishing a model for how to use equity to prioritize capital outlay projects. This approach uses a rational, data-informed, and research-based method to focus on underserved students groups and respond substantially to community concerns about addressing past inequitable institutional practices. The Ed Spec team was included in the master plan development to connect design strategies with LCAP goals. Jurors said, "This is a refreshing and thoughtful approach to integrating concerns about equity into school facilities through design and planning. This approach is replicable and should cause us to think about our approach to this subject."